All right, welcome back to the third video. So in this one, I'm gonna talk about how to customize your terminal, your command line experience. So we all use terminal for various things related to development. So we're gonna be interacting with it a lot, and it's looking very plain at the moment. And you might have seen your colleagues, friends, who's always working with the fanciest terminal setups. So here, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So if you're using PowerShell, like I would recommend, there's a tool called Oh My Posh. So just Google that, and Oh My Posh is a way for you to customize your PowerShell and with various functionalities and plugins and whatsoever. So here we go. We just click get started, and for installation we choose Windows because you're on Windows, and there you go. There's a script for you to install it through Winget. So we're gonna copy that right here, paste. So by the way, pasting in the terminal is just right clicking, and then whatever single clipboard is gonna show up. So when you copy, make sure to not copy a new line character at the end so that you don't accidentally execute something upon pasting. But in this case, we want to execute it and install on my Posh. All right, good. It's installed, and we can follow the instructions here for how to customize it. First thing first, we want to set it as the default shell. So we're going to execute this one. Hopefully that worked. And then so yeah, if you take a look at this home page, you're gonna see these fancy prompt things here with a background and an icon here that looks doesn't really look like your terminal at all. So how do they do that? So it turns out is a special font that enables feature called ligature. A ligature is when specific character or characters are combined together to display some kind of icon. So for those, you need nerd fonts, and they recommend this one, so we'll just download it. We'll extract all of them here. And to install fonts in Windows, you just search for fonts. Actually, let's open settings and then search for fonts. We go to font settings and then go grab all of the font files, excluding the other ones. I think that's all of it. Just drag it and drop it in this area, and Windows will start installing all of them. And here's a progress bar for you to keep track of the progress, because we pick quite a few. Oh, actually it's done. That's fast. All right, so that was done, and let's go back to the instruction. We finished installing a font. Next thing, we need to configure our terminal to actually use the font. So what they recommend, what was it again? That, right? And we'll open settings in terminal. I think we'll go to PowerShell, appearance, and for this one, we'll pick what was recommended. I think it's LGM nerd font. LGM nerd font. Yeah, here we go. We'll click save, and next step, we can configure a theme or a custom prompt configuration. Okay, so at this point, we need to find the themes, like the default themes that came with Oh My Posh. I think normally they are in user, or whatever your username is, app data, local, and programs. We should find Oh My Posh, and right here we have the themes. And what I would recommend using, or at least the one that I really like to use, is the this one, Agnoster OMP. So I'm gonna copy the path. How do I copy the path? Copy as path, and then just run this command. All right. Let me copy that again. Copy as path, and paste that. Ooh, there's one additional set of quotation marks, and that should do it. And here we go. You can already see that, you know, the prompt experience is much better than the default one. And last time we set up dev drive as D drive, so we can navigate to there, D drive, and then do a ls. There's a test folder. We can go to test, and because we initialized this folder as a Git repository, you can see that the default branch is master branch, and the Git information show up as part of the prompt. So that's primarily why you would want to set up your prompt, so that you get handy information like this, and you also the prompt just looks a little bit nicer than the default one. There are a lot of things you can explore. Segments are, the different segments that shows here. Like the white part is your user name, and here the blue part is the directory, and then the green part is Git related information. But there could be a lot more, so go to the website and there's a lot more you can explore. And there are also plugins that you can use, which we will cover in another video. But for this one, I think this already looks pretty nice. So do that for your terminal, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.